Thank you, Joseph, for the overview and the introduction. As Joseph has said, my name is Lawrence, digital marketing executive. Again, I think I've done social media for quite a number of years now, and I can say, like, from experience, something us as digital marketers, as social media managers, um, we struggle with is consistency with posting, again, coming up with new ideas, and just a lot of things when it comes to digital marketing and managing social media. And I was a victim here, and we had to come up with the solution. And now with AI, I mean, you don't have to start, editing or creating a post from scratch. So with AI now, okay, it's here. We can't just dismiss it. So again, how do you use AI for you to get the output that you want, or probably if it's a social media post that is scroll stopping, that will engage with the social media users. Again, at the end of it, I mean, it's about you closing deals and making a sale from probably what you've posted. So we came up with a solution, and that's Ndovesha. That because I also used to struggle with prompting. I don't know what to tell ChatGPT. Okay, I know what I want from it, but again, I don't know how to prompt it for it to give me what I want. So we have Ndovesha prompt generators, and I'll just show you how you can create a post, a social media post, without any design tool, without even any design knowledge. So I'll share my screen, so you can just go right into it. Yeah, so just confirm you can see my screen. So we'll go to Ndovesha.com, and you will land into this page here. Again, you just log in if you have an account, or if you don't have, you just sign up and you start your free 7 days free trial. And because I already have an account, I'll just log in with my email. And my password. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll land into this page here. And as you can see, I mean, something that, very, very engaging, that welcomes you here. It's how many prompts have you generated in the last 7 days? How many prompts have you shared? Your favorite prompt generator, and your weekly streak. And you'll just come and pick the prompt generator that you want to use. And for me, because I'm doing a social media post, I'll use this social media post prompt generator. It's very custom for a social media post, to be specific. Any social media post, it be LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. It's specifically for a post. So Joseph has said we will do a post for a financial institution, and for that matter, I can say a microfinance institution, and I want to create a social media post for that business, and I'll pick my marketing angle, the one I want to go with my post. Again, you don't want to just create a post that just to keep your online presence. You want to convert and probably get a sale from the people who will come across your post. And so for me, I can pick any marketing angle that I want to go with for this post, and I'll go with problem solution. Then for the design style, I can go with corporate or business. Then for the writing style here, um, I'll go with professional. Then for the storytelling, you can pick any. For this specific post, I can come and go with hero's journey. Then for the key message, I just want to brief my generator on the kind of post I want, or even the business, about the business. So our financial institution here, it's called next step. So I'll say next step capital. Can now add is a micro financing. Financing is a microfinance business. It's a microfinance business, that a business that offers accessible, flexible funding to help. You can say flexible loans. Let's focus on loans to help individuals and individuals, small businesses, grow, stabilize, and move confidently to the next financial step. So next step, capital. This is the name of our financial institution. It's a microfinance business that offers accessible, flexible loans to help individuals, and small businesses grow, stabilize, and move confidently to their next financial step. That's enough for the key message. We'll just let AI now do its other thing. Then we'll come to the branding here. The brand guidelines. You want to use your colors and the fonts for your business. So for mine, I'll just have colors. Can have them as let's have the primary as the hex code. I know the hex code, color code of this business F4ED fit. Then secondary color. C 55E. Then the font, we can have canvas. So again, when it comes to the color codes, you don't have to put these, the codes. If you just know the name color of your for your business, I mean, you can just put probably a navy blue, or a dark green, something like that. You can just input. But I mean, for For you to be very specific, I mean, having the heads code here, it's way more better. And then who are we targeting with this particular post? You can say small business owners. Uh, then you can say people who want quick loans. Then the format of the post I want to make, I want to have a single image post. Where am I posting this post? It can be Facebook. Again, Facebook and Instagram go together. Again, you can generate a post that you will post across. So I'll choose Facebook. Then the number of variations of the ideas I want to generate. You can put any number here. Let's say if probably you want to generate like 7 posts for the whole week, you can just have 7 here. Again, those posts, again, if you want to have this same style, the marketing style, you can just have 7. Then the CTA here, uh, you can leave it like that, but you can also input the CTA that you want in your post. You can say apply your loan date. And then you can have the extra constraints. We can have use African people skin tone where necessary. Then I'm done with my inputs. So I'll just come here and, click on generate. I'll generate the prompt. You see, I have now my prompt that I want to go now to any AI tool that I'll use to generate my images. And for now, ChatGPT is the best as we speak. They just released another um, model of image generation, that's ChatGPT 5.2. And it's really amazing, but let's just see what we'll have here. You can you copy this prompt. Then you go to your AI tool. Again, you can even decide to share this prompt via WhatsApp, email, or even copy the link and share this prompt. So I'll head over here to ChatGPT. Then I'll just paste my prompt here. Then click on send. Then let's see the ideas ChatGPT will give us here. Cash flow slows growth. Your business is ready. Your capital isn't. These are really nice ones. Then from delay to decision, opportunities are missed due to lack of quick funding. An opportunity shows up, waiting is expensive. Really like these ideas, and I think we have our 7 ideas ready. So let's generate our first image. So I'll just tell my chat here, generate, generate first image. So I think there's an issue here. So let me just refresh these. Let's see. Oops. Just to generate image. So I think I can go to a new tab here. Then I'll paste my prompt again. And, Let's see if, okay, it's generating again. Uh, it has a fresh uh, ideas. So let's wait for it to just finish. Um, you can also go to Gemini, but let's see if my ChatGPT will cooperate here. Generate the first. Oops, I think there's an issue. I mean, you can just go to Gemini. Then I'll paste my prompt here. Oh, so red first image. Let's see what Gemini. Gemini, they're using a model called Nano Banana. So let's see what Nano Banana will give us. I think it's done. I mean, you can see the journey begins, your vision, our capital. Your vision is ready, your plan is solid. I mean, it's really quite clean. Let's have the second image. So we're checking if my ChatGPT is back. It's not yet back. Again, there's another image here from Gemini. I think you can have the third image. So let's see. It's very clean and minimalistic. I think this is a good one. I like this one. It's very clean, very corporate. And yeah, I think can go with this one. You see, I mean, you don't have to change so much. I mean, it's very ready to post on your socials. It's very clean. It looks very professional. So it's just a matter of you downloading this image and going to Facebook or even LinkedIn and just posting your image. Again, you can see it's very consistent with the colors, the brand colors that we chose. This is just a shade of the blue. You can see it's with this green and the white. So yeah, I think the images are quite okay. So I mean, go to Ndovesha. I mean, for you to get the best out of these AI tools, I mean, you have to have a very well crafted, prompt. So go to Ndovesha, sign up, use the prompt generators. Again, for the person again who will upgrade to the first plan, I'll give him access or her access to Gemini Pro. I have a Pro version. So the first three, I think I have three links to to invite people to my Gemini Pro. It has the VO3 for the videos. So yeah, I think Joseph, I think I'll take it back to you.
Thank you, Lawrence. That was quite impressive. I think ChatGPT, I think, has expired. That's the issue. But anyway, Dan, I think next is Duncan. Will help us build a landing page. You can take it away.
All right, thank you, Joseph, for the introduction, and Lawrence for the presentation on creatives. Yeah, I think for me, as usual, walking you through the landing page prompt generation. Again, I think just to recap what Joseph had introduced about being in the AI era, of course, comes with a lot of benefits. But again, how you get the best out of it also depends on how best you can prompt the whichever model. And yeah, so even for me, been in the web design industry for quite some time. And again, those who are in the house and I've been maybe website designers, developers. You know how it is hard to start from scratch every other time you are building even a simple landing page, a website. Yeah, so now in Ndovesha, what you need to do is just specify your the structure of your site, and you get your prompt into your favorite AI tool, and from there you are able to get either a site ready or a starting point, which can you can actually have a website in a day. Or in 1 hour, in minutes actually. So that's where we are in terms of the AI and technology in general. So I'll just walk you through the Ndovesha prompt generator for landing page and see what we can get uh, for next step capital. The brand we are demoing today. So I'll share my screen. Then we get straight into it. Yeah, so I hope you can see my screen. I'm already logged in. So I'll just head over straight to the landing page prompt build at the bottom generation. That is. So click on open. Yeah. So for those who have been in the previous sessions, of course, I know this is a familiar territory. Yeah. So I'll just enter my inputs for next step, and then we see what we'll get today. So of course, the landing page name remains next step capital. We can keep the purpose as lead gen. It works pretty well for most sites because it just wants to be able to actually get leads from any landing page. And also the key message we can have uh, take the next step towards let's say take take the next step towards financial success, thing of that sort. And then for target audience, we can have, of course, individuals, for agents and loans, and quick cash. Can also for the region we can admit a few people who are joining the session. So yeah, so think, sorry for that interruption. I'm just trying to admit a few guys. So for the market we can have Kenya, and Africa. Then for the brand guidelines, I'll pick the exact color codes. Get them somewhere. That is primary color. Primary color. It's let me just copy them. Oh, primary color. Sorry, just have to actually type them in. We saw it's hash one F one P D8 D8. Then the second one is um two should be two. C double five E C double five E. So we have our primary, I mean our specific brand colors. Then for font family, we have Ubuntu. That's my favorite. And then for key details, other details you can just have in this. We don't want too much solid background, so maybe you can say use minimal uh, colors in backgrounds, and maybe if there are any images, of course, we can just ask AI to give us placeholders with high quality images placeholders, because of course you'll end up, of course, adding your specific images when you get ready to go live. So for marketing angles, we can pick and for this one we can have emotional appeal, important for such a product. Authority, I think, is also important, and of course we can include social proof just for people to be able to know how we've served other customers. Then for conversion goals, just keep it drive product purchases, of course, through the lead generation. Then the sections, we can have navigation, of course, at the top. We must have that one, the hero section. Can also have some trust badges there if they are there, of course, to just build on their authority. Service features, of course, very important, regardless of the service. And benefits. I think also how it works would add into to the landing page to show them how they're able to get the loans. Then we can also have stats. Of course, mean numbers are very important. Then customer testimonials. Yeah, I think we can go with those, and then of course the CTS, the FAQ, and the footer. Yeah, we can do with those five or so sections. Then tone and style, of course, has to be pro, of course, and bit. I mean, because we are targeting a wide range of audience. We can also have it being corporate, then minimal and clean. I think it's important and also friendly for this product. For the visual design, can still keep clean again, now a brand colored essence. Yeah, then I think we filled all our inputs, I mean, as per the brand. We can now proceed to generate the prompt. Yeah, and there we have it. So I'll copy the prompt and today I'll still use Cloud. Cloud is good in, I mean, it's the best so far when it comes to anything coding. So I'll go to Cloud and paste my, let's see, loading. Okay, it won't give ChatGPT. Right. So I paste my prompt there, and then see what Claude will cook for us. Yeah, in a few seconds. So it's there, working. Yeah, it first gives you the design strategy. Yeah, how probably you could I mean even get started without getting the final code. So have I mean a guide on the sections. I mean how the navigation bar would look like, the hero section, I mean just suggested trust badges, the features section. Yeah, it gives you first the raw text and now goes ahead to narrate for you the HTML code, which now you can build up on, or even now if it's good enough, you can just proceed to actually, I mean, go live after a few tweaks. So it's giving us the code. I mean, Cloud is really good when it comes to scaffolding code stuff. So let's see how soon we can have the viewable page. And of course, how accurate it's gonna be for the inputs we give, especially the branding and the different sections. I think it's almost there. So even from the text we're getting, you can really pick this up and then go ahead to actually, I mean, use any other CMS. I mean, any other website. I mean, tool, be it a CMS like WordPress, you can really just pick then this one and go do your do your thing outside. So I think the code is ready. Just for us to be able to view it, well, let me just get the file so that we can open it in a new tab and see. So it's ready. Let's see it in a new page. So you see what we are able to produce in those few minutes. I mean, well, I mean, this hero section is very well, I mean, done very well. Then the topography, you're able to read the hero statement very well and the supporting statement. Yeah, so yeah, get approved loans for up to within 24 hours first. Yeah, so things very spot on. You can see the trust badges here, and I mean some of the things to just show how the brand serves other customers. Then we can see the value proposition again, very well done. You can see we told it not to give us solid backgrounds. It's exactly given us that uh, what we specified, very legible, minimal. You can see the steps to getting the cash. Um, yeah, I think I mean, it's quite well, I mean, done for sure. I would say this is the site you can just pick and go ahead and just, and I mean, change whatever details work for, I mean, whatever, maybe the contacts, the phone numbers, and just, you'd be good to go. Even the color mixing is very well, done. So I think Cloud, wins in this one. So you can rate my landing page. So once you have the page again, you can, I mean, once you are done doing the edits and all that, you can just uh, take it to your favorite hosting tool. I mean, of course, I mean, mostly for such sites, you will find most people using, I mean, cPanel because it's just a simple light web page. So you can just pick your file For example, I'll just switch to cPanel so that we can have a feel of the site, like so that I can also share the link for you to view it. So this is cPanel. So in cPanel, you simply go to the file manager, having pointed your domain there and um, set up everything. So we just get the folders. The folders are actually made mostly just the domains you've pointed there, and then any other things which come with cPanel. So our testing, I mean our domain is usually landing pages.ndovesha.com. So I'll just open that folder. We already had another file existing. I'll just delete it, and then we can upload the new the just created file. Then we find it, downloads. It's here. I mean, it's a very light file, so we get it up instantly. Then go back to the file manager. So for you to be able to load this as the home page of your site, you need to rename it to index.html. That's the standard default home page. Sorry, I'm clicking on the wrong action. So sorry, I need to rename the file. Yeah. So index.html. Yeah, once you do that, you're as good as done. So you just need to go pick your domain here and just copy. Go to a new tab, you'll be able to find your site live on that domain. So see, it actually loads immediately. So you can see, so, and then you are live in minutes. So, I mean, that's what you're able to achieve in using, of course, the prompt generator for landing pages. And now, of course, I mean, as curated by the success team in Ndovesha. So check it out and sign up, get your free trial and see what you can do for your business, for your personal portfolio. You can build a lot with, giving the prompt generator the inputs you want. Yeah, so let me just share the link in the chat for those who want to have a feel of what we've just generated. So yeah, so you can check it and share your thoughts about it as we continue the session. So I think I'll end it up at that point and hand it over back to Joseph. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Duncan. I think we have a few minutes, but I can quickly design an ad, not creative. I think you can stop sharing them.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
My screen. So here you can create your account, and then for me, I already have an account. So if you have an account, you come back as a login. For me, I'm already logged in, so I'll go here. There are many generators. We're planning to add a few. We've had requests for print material, that is things like flyers, billboards, banners, roll-up banners, whatever. So we'll be adding that for the ones who want to design such. But for today, let's go to add creatives. For those who've been here, we've done this for a minute. So next step, capital, name of our product, in banking, you want to be quite professional, but anyway, edgy. So let's see. I think we could go with conversational. What's happening?
Joseph, I think your screen is not coming up. I thought it was only me.
Is it up
Yeah,
now?
yeah. It's up.
Okay. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so here is my screen. Yeah, it was behaving weird even on this side. But anyway, so let me just show you a step. So yeah, of course you go to the website if you really want to start there. If you have an account, I mean, you just need to log in. So but for me, I'm already on the dashboard. If you go to the dashboard, here I am on the dashboard. So here's the dashboard. Let me just know when my screens are not coordinating. I hope they're good, but here maybe the machine is it's hanging a little bit. But anyway, hope it won't spoil my presentation. We are good? Done?
Yeah, visible.
We are good?
Yeah. Good.
I can see it's hanging on my end. It's telling me wait, whatever. Okay, I hope so. Here I come to add creatives prompt generator, and
Joseph, you're still on the
so
main dashboard.
I know it's switching slowly. Let me just unshare and then share again. Just a minute.
Yeah.
My Zoom is crashing. Okay. Just a minute. Let me see if I fix it down. Okay, where am I right now?
I think in the add creatives.
Okay. All right. I think Zoom it just sent the bugs, the error bugs that normally send. I think. So I enter my product name, step capital. So I can go conversational, image, Facebook, variations 3. I'm okay with that. The language is English. Design style, I can do thinking. Okay. Corporate business, hero's journey, that's all right. For here, I can do data-driven. Primary audience, let's say offering loans to corporate guys, corporate employees. CTA already decide for me. So my message is get a car loan. Get a car loan. Great interest rates and terms. Guidelines, pre-money conversions. Sharia, that was the font, right?
Yes. Conversions.
Okay, we have great interest. Let's just see. I mean, I don't want to give it. So, I mean, the AI should just do the work. You don't have to give it a lot of details. It should now know what to do with all that details. So let it load my ChatGPT. I think for my ChatGPT is subscribed, so I don't think it will have issues. Okay. Also, I can try Gemini too. Gemini has really improved. lately. Um, I think there's an issue with ChatGPT, Lawrence.
I think that it's down.
Need to use
Yeah, they have an issue, I
it's
think.
down. Okay.
I mean, they're just having intermittent.
Okay. Yeah, I was just wondering. I don't think I had actually done a few before we started. So let me just use Gemini. Um, okay, let's see. On the math card. Okay, right. I think the ideas are good. So generate. So let's see. I don't know if ChatGPT has woken up. It's nothing. Yeah. I just use Gemini. Okay, that's happening. Yeah. Okay. Loan approved. You've crunched the numbers. Now drive the car. Rates that makes sense for your budget. Okay, not bad. Cost, comfort, upgrade your commute. Okay, not bad. You can see it's mixing the colors very well. The copywriting is really good. It's keeping it professional in terms of the approach. Okay, that's the one. I like it. So yeah, I mean, like, you definitely can, go back. You can change the marketing angle. You can change the design style, the storytelling, and see if it gives you something different. So better, but I mean, these are usable images. I don't see why they should not actually give you a lot of leads when you run them. So yeah, I think I'll stop there because my machine has been acting up since I started. But let's have questions. Maybe we can exceed with 5 minutes. We can have a few questions and then we finalize. Any questions? insights. As we said, when you upgrade, you get an invite to Gemini Pro. We have some free invites we have Google has given us, so we'll be sharing that with the users who go to paid subscription, and then you will also get guidance if you're stuck on anything. You get personalized onboarding. Use the prompts. I mean, if you're on free trial, just get to use them. Getting a lot of great reviews and feedback from people who are using them. So, yeah, I don't see. Do you have questions? I don't see questions. So anyway, we can have closing remarks from Lawrence and Duncan. Lawrence?
I think my remarks, I think I've talked so much about social media. So as you go for your holidays, Christmas, I mean, you don't have to stop posting. You have the prompt generators. You can generate, the post up to probably 5th of January and schedule them and, um, then go enjoy your Christmas and be safe. Yeah, see you. I think this was our last for the year. Joseph, I think, and Duncan.
Oh yeah. So I think
Yeah, so and then I think Naftali has asked about the recording. Yeah, the recording will be shared in the group, but tomorrow it's always on Fridays in the morning from around 8 to 10. The recording is always up on our YouTube channel. So yeah, and you can just check Ndovesha on YouTube, then you will find even all the recordings there. So happy holidays and be safe. See you next year.
yeah, I think we will pause the webinars a bit, so because of the festive, like the next Thursday is on Christmas, the other one is on fast. So I think we will do the next webinar on 8th of January. So in the meantime, we will be active on the group. So you can side chat anybody with an admin there, in case you have anything. So yeah, that's also a support group for anybody with our users. So yeah, happy holidays. See you around. Bye bye.